Hey guys, this will be mini guide only for Blender users who want to grow really big on social media, who want to get more followers and clients. And I will show you my viral formula. If you're asking why I'm talking about this, my name is Ruslan and I have my personal 3D art blog. You can check it right here, and the moment most of the videos went pretty viral, but I want to scroll down to show you where I started. If you don't have any experience in this or you don't want to show your face, that's totally fine. You can show only your artworks from Blender. I thought that if I present my work on social media, that will be enough. I had a decent experience, decent style, but it got like at maximum 200 likes here. But my second video that I made with art principles got 7,000. And only then I was discovering social media and how to actually create such viral videos, and I came up with a formula, and it's great for Blender artists, especially if you want to create such models in cute styles. Here on the first place we have the idea and the format of your videos. As I said, you can pick any format. We will teach different formats on the course. Only then we have work quality. I think after the course all of you can create such scene like this with really nice particles, lightning. I can show you here. We demonstrate all the process step by step from concept drawing to final rendering. We also have video about light theory, lighting basics, so you will understand how to make it really appealing. And here you can see final scene looks pretty complex, but I think if you repeat it and if you understand the principles, that's totally fine. So I believe that any of you can create such works eventually. You can create it on your own or step by step in our course. Only then it's very important to export few animations from Blender, and they should have unique dynamics, and we need to make as much variations as possible without textures and with textures, with a bad lighting and with the correct lighting. And of course variations for every kind of object as well. You can create it on your own, but here on the course we will have huge community of the people who will share these animations. We are already sharing this, and in the course itself we show you how to create really popular animations that we saw on Instagram. And this is only one of them, and we also show you how to create animations with the notes. If you combine all of them, the result will be great, not only for your portfolio, but for your future job. We also share all these blend files with animations so you can check them. So our goal at this stage is to make different variations of animations with the scene that we created. Because if we show stable scene like this, it might not be very interesting. Only then we need to jump straight to free software CapCut. Here we have it, and we use Telegram free application as well to save all of the videos, to extract sounds, so this tool is must-have. Of course OBS for recording some stuff from Blender. We need to make additional recordings, and only then we need to edit these videos with the correct timing based on visual contrast principle. This one is very important. This should be the main principle of your content, to entertain and engage the viewer, because nowadays everybody is distracted. At first we need to keep the attention of the viewer, and we need to make them wait for the final result. But what is actually visual contrast? I will give you a few examples. You can show your process without any materials, you can fake this process, and only then eventually you can show your final render with animation. At first we need to make people wait for certain result, and only then we need to impress them. The whole content is only about entertainment of the people, and like it or not, this is a very effective way of promoting your stuff. And I mean, I can't see any bad things about this. You will get more followers, more engagement, more clients, many people will know your art. With this principle I actually made 3 of our accounts very viral. It might sound a bit abstract, but this is actually the key, guys. In a viral Blender course you will make at least 3 of these videos, and you will post all of them correctly. Only then important part is adding the correct text, because this will actually make people wait. People will understand the idea of the video right away. Even text like "wait for it" will make bigger engagement. Then we need to use correct trendy music and extract sounds from Telegram. This is pretty simple. So text, music and sound is only to keep your attention. Here I have this long video where I create viral videos step by step from Blender to finding the sound. Only then I have video breakdown, another one that we made. We will also have video about building your confidence, because some people don't even believe that this is possible for them. And this is not that hard. Blender right now is the most viral and popular software. You just need to understand the correct principles and make sure you don't mess up any of these steps. Here we have another video about inspiration, where we will build your confidence as well. Zoom. Notice that we switched a bit the angle, and of course final render. Only then this step is pretty simple, but not many people understand how to make it, and that's fine. You just need to post without burning your audience, so you don't need to post too many, you don't need to use too many of the hashtags. I will share you one tip for Instagram: there is no need to add more than 3 hashtags. Here we have this video about posting, where we talk about our experience. So guys, this is the actual formula to go viral. Of course, in this short video I can't even break down it step by step, I can't guide you, but if you want to learn more, I will see you on the course. Here we will guide you from concept creation to basic modeling, and only then we have this module about viral videos, where I shared all of my information step by step. Big thanks to Zarina, she is a very experienced Blender artist, she recorded this part about Blender. If you want to learn more, you can visit our website, and here at the bottom at frequently asked questions we have a list of all of the videos. This is actually a unique course that will boost your growth, and it was designed specifically for Blender artists. We will see you on the course.
Hello and welcome to our course dedicated to modeling this scene from scratch. My name is Irina and I am a 3D artist. Together with N-hance School, we're gonna guide you through the whole process step by step. Throughout this series, we'll dive into the process of 3D modeling, covering essential techniques, tools and workflows to help you create immersive and captivating scenes. Our goal is simple: to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to craft breathtaking scenes that tell stories and evoke emotions. In each segment, we'll explore a different facet of 3D design, starting from fundamentals and gradually advancing to more complex concepts. Whether you are a beginner, eager to learn, or an experienced artist looking to refine your skills, this course is crafted to suit all levels. Our journey will encompass a range of crucial topics, from understanding the principles of modeling to texturing, lighting, animation, and rendering. Also, as a bonus, we'll guide you on how to present your final work online and how to get more engagement on social media. Each part will build upon the previous, providing a seamless learning experience. By the end of this series, you'll have the proficiency to create stunning 3D scenes, develop your unique style, and bring your creative visions to life.
And after you bring all of your creative visions in life in Blender, we will create viral videos. My name is Ruslan and I was managing N-hance School accounts for over a few years. I was creating viral content with over 1 million likes in general. I have my personal vlog about hand-painted textures. There is a blueprint that we will study. We will edit all these viral videos in free software CapCut. You will also learn how to follow modern trends and sounds, how to pick unique ideas that suits for your current experience, how to correctly post on social media, and how to provoke emotion and grab attention from people. And this is actually unique information that you won't find anywhere else. So let's start this exciting journey into the realm of 3D modeling and unleashing your artistic potential. We will see you on the course.